Alright, so I'm here with the HP 15 that I tried to fix a couple of weeks ago. I opened it and I had some problems with it, I had no power on the notebook. It didn't power, though the lights did come up. You can actually see the light is coming on, but it didn't trigger the sequence from the BIOS, so it can power up. Now, what it had done here is that I refreshed the BIOS. Let me see if I can manage to zoom in. Where is it? See, you can still see the solder because I want to refresh it, and after I'm done, I will clean it. I did refresh the BIOS, but unfortunately it didn't power up. So one of the guys on the forum suggested me to reflow the CPU because everything is incorporated in the CPU. I reflowed the CPU and boop-titty ba. Let me show you. Let me not break the hinges. So BIOS reflashed, CPU reflashed, yeah, and voila, it's working. The thingy powered up, but now I have a problem. It says no serial, no nothing there. I don't know if you can see it. You got nothing, ID, nothing, zero. So now, after my friend helped me with the incorporation of the serial number, I want to take back the BIOS and try to refresh it with the serial number from the old file, and I hope it helps. But now with this opportunity I will show you how I'm refreshing the BIOS. Now let me find my AZP, my good old friend AZP. Probes, like my good old friend AZP. Apparently, just in case, I have two of them, but I don't need them at the same time. I don't have nothing that I can use two programmers at the same time. Now let me find an adapter. And this is the adapter you put in. Let me see if I can find another one that is. Apparently, I don't know which one is good because I forgot to clean them, like a very special person. Yeah, this one is bad. Put it aside, maybe we can fix it another time. And this one, we can use this one. Okay, now let's desolder this BIOS. Let me see if I can manage to zoom in and actually see make something out of it. I don't know, let me see if I can manage to. It's here, yeah. Alright. That's the best thing I can do. Alright, let me see if the programmer is working. I don't want any surprises. it's not here. AZP, yes. So we got the USB link. Yeah? Okay, this is it. Okay, so BIOS, programmer, no display on the notebook. No power on the notebook. And refresh the BIOS and reflow the CPU. Yeah, and now it's powering on, but now I don't have any serial number on it. Now what I need to do is to refresh it with the working BIOS. Let me put some water on my sponge. With this opportunity I will show how to do this job. Yes, now let's do this. I will not tell you how to solder, I will just tell you how to do the job. But if you're interested, please tell me. I'm not very good with asking, just showing. Why do I feel that this iron is not that strong? Ah, look, it's coming now. Beep diddy boop diddy bam. I took the BIOS out. I don't know, I don't think it's the focus is that good. But let me see. Maybe I get lucky. I don't get that lucky. Okay. Put the chip aside. Try to clean this trusty block of solder. I'm gonna leave a little solder there so we can. Perfect. See, now that's very nice. But not good if I don't clean it. Yes. Now, what I will do now is that I will solder the thingy, the BIOS chip on the adapter. Come on, don't run away. Okay. Like this. Pin 1, it shows me, I don't know if you can see, pin 1 is this one. Wait, you cannot see. You cannot see. Pin 1 is that one. Da, știm. Alright, so pin 1 is this one. You can actually see it from the dot here, the circle. This is the pin 1, yeah? Okay, now take the BIOS chip and I'm looking for that hole inside, and the only way I can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a hole there, so that's the pin 1. Now let me see if I can make some points. With my iron. There is a clip. I tried to use the clip for a couple of years, for a couple of months, but after a couple of months it just cracked and I stopped using it, and I got the adapter for cheaper money. Come on, don't give me a hard time now. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost there with the soldering. Perfect. This iron tip, look at it. I don't know if you can see it, it's gorgeous. From an old Veller AC 1201A Veller, very old iron, and I modified the tip so it can fit inside this one. This is gorgeous. Now I have my thingy on. Let me see if the desktop is recording. Yes, it's recording. Let me minimize this. Now this is recording, yes. Now I'm taking back the adapter and I'm placing it front up. Which one is front up? Pin one. I think it's like this. Well, I didn't stop. Now I got the thingy on, with the chip. I go back here on the program and I click detect. That's it. It detected the chip W25Q64 BV 8 megabytes. Now I'm reading it. I already got the original file, but when you're doing it, when you're trying to flash, you always save your original flash aside. You never know if the file you want to write inside the chip is bad, then you can actually undo everything, so yeah, it's much easier like that if you back up your file. Now because I already have the file, I received the file, I don't need to do this, so I'm erasing the chip straight away. So that's it, erasing. I'm erasing, come on, today, faster please. You can actually see the light is running. Chip erased. Now if we read, everything is FF, it's empty. Empty. Yeah, not very hard, but you have to have the programmer, you need to have the iron, a good iron. I have another one. I have a collection of Vellers. I really like Vellers. Even this one's got a small tip, but I have for every station. I have bigger tips, medium tips, everything is like, you need to have them because it's important. The crypted fixed, where is the fixed one? This one. Apparently my friend fixed it. Okay, so this is the one, yeah? Let me see if I can find HP. Maybe it's working. Okay, program. Let me prepare some alcohol because I need to clean now the board if it's running. 8 megabytes, it's very slow. It's uber slow. Seriously. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now we come back here. Now we desolder the chip back. Yes, it can sustain a lot of temperature if you're curious. I don't want to use the extractor now. Oh yes, from one shot I managed to clean the pad, clean the chip spin. Oh, don't fall down. Don't want any problems now with the chip because I don't have a 8 megabytes chip and I have to order it if it's breaking. I don't want to do that, so we can put the adapter aside. Yes, I don't want to clean it. Seriously, crazy. Yeah. Ow, very hot. Where's the first pin? Okay, the first pin it's on the left to me, like this. But I will clean the board if it's working. Yes, perfect. Oh, I like this iron. Not very straight. I don't know if you can see it, but the bias is not very straight. Almost dodgy, but it did fit it properly inside. Now, let me clean it. Wonderful, like brand new. Brand new. Beautiful. Let's see if it's giving me the same error. The same error like before, yeah? Let me try to see if I can make something really smart, like hooking up the hinge back in its place. Let's see if I can back together the whole assembly. Short screw. Apparently I need a long screw. Oh, perfect. It's exactly what I needed. battery. I don't want to break the case. Yeah, okay. Charger, where's my charger? Connecting the thingy. And now the only problem is that I have to now the BIOS is not okay. I didn't solder it properly. Nope, the BIOS is not good. Apparently he said if it's not working, then I have to do it manually. This is very dumb. Very bad. Let's try again. It doesn't work. Nada. Oops. What was that? Something was weird. I actually saw something. Manufacturer program mode is unlock mode. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. Yep. It did power up. Yes, no more error. So I actually thought it was bad. See this? This is that there is, what I say, serial number in the BIOS. So yeah, it's okay. The thingy works. Let's put the keyboard back. I want to see if I can go into BIOS and actually see if 100% sure that the serial number is in there. You know, so I don't know, maybe it doesn't. Manufacturing programming enabled. Yep. Yes, all the serial number it's in here. All the information. This is an i5 5 generation, fifth 5 i5 5000 HP Pavilion. Very nice. 8 gig of RAM, i5 2.2. I'm very happy about this repair, and I hope it helped you, you know, because I don't have another method of showing you how to reflash it. So this is a problem that refers to, let me put this away. Stop everything. This is a problem that refers to almost anything that is from no power, no display. It can be the BIOS, it can be the processor, it can be the video, it doesn't matter, but in this case there was only two cases, because it was charging, everything was good, when I was connecting the battery, it was charging the battery, but it didn't power up. So in this case, it was very, very lucky for me to actually fix. Not lucky, I wouldn't say lucky, because there were only two options, BIOS, reprogram the BIOS and reflow the processor. So the first time I reprogrammed, it did nothing. It just powered up and no display. I left it for half an hour, nothing. I did the same procedure, but after I reflowed the CPU, it's very hot. After I reflowed the CPU, everything was okay. Look, it powered up everything, but I didn't have any serial number. So my friend gave me the BIOS with the serial number inside, and now I reflashed it, and everything is perfect. And I can guarantee you that this notebook was opened before, like it was brutalized inside. Everything that was related to basic troubleshooting was done for this notebook, but nothing. They didn't manage to do nothing on it. So I was happy. I even had the opportunity to buy it, but I didn't want it because I have another one, a similar notebook like this, and I want to do it for me because I don't want it. I want to help the person, so he can enjoy it.